evening, sir. Good evening, Shantanu. I hope you're enjoying your weekends. My presentation was about uh, schemes of women entrepreneur, uh, government schemes that can help women entrepreneurs in India grow their small business. We have seven Indian initiative to help women entrepreneurs, which is like Bharatiya Mahila Bank Business Loan, Mudra Yojana Scheme, Deena Shakti Scheme, Udyogini Scheme, Saint Kalyani Scheme, and Udyam Nidhi Scheme, and Women Entrepreneurship Platform, which is called as WEP. And this is the Bharatiya Mahila Bank logo. Uh, Bharatiya Mahila Bank was started as a focus on providing financials to underprivileged women who wanted to start their own businesses. It was merged with the State Bank of India, 31st March 2017. It is the great privilege for the Bharatiya Mahila Bank, which was presented by them. The below following are some of the main features and benefits for the business loans, like Bharatiya Mahila Bank business, having a concession of 0.25% of interest rate and a combo of working capital term loan. There is a need for collateral for the amount of 1 lakh. And Bharatiya Mahila Bank is a fully owned subsidiary like State Bank of India, which is based on Mumbai and India. Like our Prime Minister Manmohan Singh inaugurated the system on 19th anniversary of former India Prime Minister as an Indira Gandhi. As a part of Modi government's banking reforms are ensure greater banking outreaches to the women, and it was merged with the State Bank of India on April 2017. While being run by women, we are lending an exclusively to women to the bank, allow deposit the flow from everyone. India has the third country after Pakistan and Tanzania to have a bank exclusively to the benefits of a women. And coming to the second scheme, which is called as Mudra Yojana, this is the logo of the Mudra Yojana scheme. For the women who wants to start up a small businesses by their own, like individual, independent, having their own ideas, especially which is a higher beneficial, we can take loan from this as 50,000 to 10 lakh. It's a perfect business like a beauty salons, opening a small shop or running it a home-based businesses. Uh, and this scheme is divided into three categories like Sishu, Kishore, and Tarun. Sishu is nothing but having a loans up to 50,000, and Kishore is loan up to 50,000 to 5 lakh, and Tarun is which is providing loan up to 5 lakhs to 10 lakh. And like many businesses are benefited with the schemes, which is easy to avail, and women are also having such an intellectual mind of thing. They're having the and applying their loan for under these schemes. And the main features of the schemes are like Pradhana Mantri Yojana for ladies, like including whatever the loans which are provided, like Sishu, Kishore, and Tarun. These are not no collateral required. We can just have a broad rates of interest and tenor up to 84 months. If you're looking to a high loan like amount, you can also avail a Bajaj Finance business loan for women, which is offering like a free funds with 445 lakhs. The aims of the schemes like Pradhana Mantri Mudra Loan Yojana for the women who are providing the necessary financial support, like eligible women who wants to start their own businesses, and the ladies which are like they want their own depending on themselves, like having a bold decisions which are like having an necessity of the skills which they make their own operational successful. And coming back to the third scheme, which is called as Dina Shakti, this is the logo of the Dina Shakti scheme, uh, trusted by the family bank. This is the public sector bank company started with the aim to promote economic opportunities for the women. And the Dina Shakti scheme is also created with a platform with the women entrepreneurs in getting business loan easily. And a women entrepreneur who wishes to establish their own can have apply for the Dina Shakti scheme, like having a capital to expand their own business organizations. And coming back to the schemes of Dina Shakti, like this is a combination of the term loan and the working capital. And women entrepreneurs are eligible for the 25% of concessional rates in the loan. The term of the loan provided to the women are from for the 3 years, and the relaxation concerning with the schemes like reduction in the margins, like optimal floating interest are provided to the State Bank of India, like SBI. which is directly linked to the best rate of the respective bank. And this Bank of India, which is initiating the economic activities of women entrepreneur, is certain like the categories which is situated and the situations of the given margin can be up to 5% of the rate. In case of loan advances, retails and traders, like such as concession will not be provided for them. And the final conclusion of this is the economic activities of the women entrepreneurs are contribute directly to growth and development in dealing and with the informal business problems and poverty reductions. And Indian women entrepreneurs have been consulting, exploiting the opportunities and converting the opportunities as well as the resources into the national wealth and income. And coming back to this fourth scheme, like Udyogini, and this is the logo of the scheme, Udyogini. This is the primary concerns from the government in empowering the women of India. And the government of India and the women development is like launched the Udyogini scheme for the Indian women entrepreneurs. Uh, the Udyogini scheme aims to enable women to become a financial independent support for the families for the rural background areas in a country. And these coming features are like financial institutions are more liberal in funding women belonging to special categories such as widows, destitute, and disabled. Uh, Even they feel like they want to be an independent. And women under special categories such as interest-free loans under the schemes is best scheme which I have seen. And the high value loan amount of this application is like 3 lakh under the Udyogini scheme. And availing this amount, eligible applications must be required the eligibility criteria. And the 88 small scale industries get loan benefit under the scheme. Interest free loans are also given to the women entrepreneurs in the agricultural sector. This is a very best scheme for the agricultural women who are eagerly waiting for it. And the benefits of Udyogini scheme, like under the scheme 7047, that is women entrepreneurs are supported. Uh, 5,432 children are supported in the scheme. And the villages covered like 1,698 villages which are covered still now. And the upcoming, like they're eagerly waiting for the number of the mark they want to reach soon. This is my presentation for the women entrepreneurs. Thank you.